Hey everybody, Tim from Woodlands TV here. Just enjoying a walk through the woodlands where I grew up, walking along those nice trails. On the subject of trails, welcome to our trail camera competition for December. This month we've got itchy badgers, we've got inquisitive deer, we've got vultures, we've got boxing hares, and we've also got woodcock. A real selection. Watch and enjoy. For your opportunity to win a solar-powered trail camera, send your videos of up to 10 seconds long of UK woodland wildlife to the email address down in the description. Every month, one lucky winner is going to get that solar-powered trail camera. It could be you.